Here we have the SEESII Cordless Caulking Gun. This thing looks to be pretty nice. So this is everything that's included. Also came with this little feature, which I did not know it came with, which will come in handy. Also got a little poking rod. So this is your, could be a scraper or basically replace your finger to smooth your lines out. They're all out of a silicone or rubber, plastic, whatever you want to call it, but you got different sizes. Then here you actually got a trowel and scraper right there, and you got your trowel right there, so you can go back through and cut out what you don't need. And then you can also pull this off. You get different heads as well. The actual tool itself, we'll go through and show it in use here in a minute, but just a quick rundown. Hold this button right here. That lets you pull this back. And then you also have 4 different modes. I'll demonstrate all those here in a minute, as well as your button for your flashlight itself. One thing I do like about this is with most manual caulking guns, if you pull the trigger and you let go, you just kind of sit there and just sit there without the trigger being pressed, it'll still ooze out caulk at the end of the nozzle. With this, as you're going, I'll do a quick demonstration. This is the fastest mode, but so when you let off the trigger, it goes back a notch or 2, so it's not continuously shooting stuff out at you. So we'll real quick go through the modes. Like I said, this is your fastest. It comes with 2 batteries. And also has the indication on them as well. Real quick, we're just gonna be doing some of this mortar repair. So, just gonna get your button, pull this guy back, put it on, hit the button again, get it nice and tight. We're good to go. So real quick, we're just gonna do a quick little demonstration of how fast it goes. This is your slowest. We'll go with the highest first. This is gonna be your highest speed. And they're back feeds, so you won't be getting any excess running out. 3rd fastest. This is your 2nd speed. And your slowest speed. And that's, if you want to put your LED on, do so. So real quick, we're going to take her outside and actually use this bad boy on the 3rd speed. There's your different speeds right there. We're gonna go to the 2nd real quick. This next little run. So real quick, we're going to be using the SEESII Caulking Gun. We're going to be doing some self-levelant sealant So obviously first thing first, cut your angle that you want. And this little poking rod comes with it. I like to go a couple times just to make sure that I got it. And to load it, all you're gonna do is hit this trigger, hit this button right here, hit that, pull back, stick it in there, hit your button again, push till it won't go anymore. Right there. And we're gonna get started. We're gonna go on step one, the lowest level, real quick, just to see if we like it. So like I said, it back feeds, so it quits oozing out of it. This stuff is stringy, so it's gonna drip a little bit on me. If I wipe it off, it should stop. So this is with the light on. We're gonna go and crank her up all the way. So when it dies like that, it means you're all gone, empty. And it is indeed all gone. So there you have it, the SEESII caulking gun.